Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power sources. This prevents shorts and accidental inputs. Next, take off the battery cover and unscrew visible screws. Keep them organized so reassembly is clean. Once done, use a plastic pry tool to separate halves along the seams slowly. You want to avoid clipping internal cables. Make sure to note where the ribbon cable and screw posts sit, because that positioning matters when replacing the jack or testing continuity later. You'll now inspect the jack area closely. Look for lifted pads, cracked solder, or corrosion that breaks contact. If solder joints are bad, desolder the old jack and solder a matched replacement, using flux and steady heat to avoid lifting traces. Once soldered, use a multimeter to check continuity across sleeve, ring, and tip so audio and mic map correctly. If a wired break is the issue, splice and heat shrink the conductors, ensuring insulation prevents shorts before reassembly. You should reassemble by aligning housings, gently seating any ribbons, and replacing screws finger-tight to prevent stripping, then reinstall batteries. Power up and test with a headset you know works, checking game chat and system audio. This confirms jack function and microphone bias. If audio still fails, perform a controller firmware reset and test another controller to isolate console versus hardware issues. If problems persist, return to the jack inspection. Sometimes a hidden cold joint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.